We see working with HTML components. Razor View Engine. This is syntax that is used in coding ASP.NET web pages. Razor codes is writing in Vue files. It is written nested with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS codes running on the client side, and it works on the server side, and the result is sent to the client coding with Razor. Add codes are used to create code blocks in Razor. The add operator is used to leave a space. C# commands can be run by Razor. For example, add for each var item in list add item. HTML text can be used under Razor code blocks. Add for each var item in list add item. HTML controls with Razor. HTML controller used in MVC is under the HTML helper class. Along with standard HTML tags, these tags can be used in HTML codes with the add sign. HTML.actionLink method creates an anchor tag on the page. This gets 3 parameters as shown in the presentation. Another way to create links is between HTML tags is shown in the presentation, post process and HTTP utility. When a form on the page is sent to the server and the page is shown to user again, the postback event has occurred. This was controlled by isPostback in web form. In MVC, this process is controlled by isPost. The HTML codes on the pages can be encrypted and decrypted by the HTTP utility class with the HTML.encodeString and HTML.decodeString methods. The reason for this is that when we want to display a tag on the page, it can be used when we do not want the page to interpret it. HTML row, when we want to lean on the screen, string variables that we define on the server side are written as normal text. If you want a string variable with HTML tag to interpret and write HTML tags, we need to use the HTML.row method. Add HTML form. HTML.beginForm action name, controller name, form method, .post, input type, submit value, send. When we examine the structure, we create a form, and this form sends the entire form as a whole to the server with the post method. The only thing it needs for this is a button with a submit type. Get is selected as the form method. The values of the controls in the form are displayed in the address bar of the browser together with their IDs and can be accessed as request.queryString on the server side. HTML helper methods is given in the table.